The reason I went from academia to consulting and didn't try different avenues was because I really wanted to do something more applied. I really wanted to work on real world problems with contamination in sediment, in water, in soil, and help figure out like how much contamination, how much risk associated with that, how do we manage that effectively. I wanted to look at the applied use of research in real world situations. There's nothing like working on an investigation in your backyard. So I really appreciate that opportunity to work on small contaminated sites in San Diego Bay in particular. That's definitely meaningful because, that's a place where we might go sailing on the bay or fishing or whatever, and those are the kinds of things that are affected by the contamination.